This is question number 5 on homework number 15. The question says, what is the measurement of x? So we have x right here, and we have two similar triangles. We have this little tiny one right here, and then we have the big one right here. So I'm going to redraw my small triangle and my big triangle to label them. So my small triangle, if I ignore this for a second, has a height of x. We see that right here. That's x long. And then it has a base of 3. And my big triangle, this whole thing now, has a base of 6. And then the height is going to be this whole thing right here. So it might be tempting to say that it's 4, but 4 would be incorrect because that goes only from here to here. It's actually 4 plus x, which we don't know. So this side is going to be 4 plus x. Let's go ahead and match up our corresponding sides. So I'm going to use 1 tick mark here for the left-hand height, and again 1 tick mark here for the left-hand height, 2 tick marks for the base, and 3 tick marks for the hypotenuse. Then we can set up our ratio. So I have two unknown sides here. I have this x and I have this 4 plus x. It doesn't really matter which one you put where, as long as they're matching up with their corresponding sides. Just to keep it simple, I'm going to use x for this one right here. So x has 1 tick mark. Its corresponding side 1 tick mark is 4 plus x, so this will be 4 plus x over here. Then on the bottom I need the known side from the same triangle. So the known side here would be 3. Has 2 tick marks. The corresponding side is 6. So I can get x by itself by multiplying by 3 and multiplying by 3. This cancels and I'm left with x equals, then I'm going to distribute here. So 3 times 4 is going to be 12, and 3 times x is going to be 3x over 6. Then I can get rid of this division right here by multiplying by 6 on both sides. This will cancel and I'm left with 12 plus 3x equals x times 6 would be 6x. And now it's just an algebra problem. So I have 12, 3x, and 6. I can combine the x's. I need to move this one because this one, if I tried to move it, would be it's the last thing left over, so we can't move it. So I'm going to do minus 3x, and I'm left with 12 equals 6 minus 3 would be 3, and then x. And now all I need to do is divide by, divide by 3, and we're left with x equals 4. So let's see if that makes sense. If I come up here, my x value 4, and over here 4 plus x, that would be 4 plus 4, which would be 8. So the ratio of 3 to 4, 3 slightly smaller than 4, and then 6 slightly smaller than 8. So our answer is x equals 4.